At my.KUKA, we always ask ourselves what we can do to make the access to all aspects of robotics as easy as possible for our customers. Our goal is to provide a central e-service platform which will support our customer in every phase of automation, from finding and procuring products to maintenance and optimization of existing systems. In my.KUKA, our customers can easily find their products. They can check their real-time availability and place orders directly in our marketplace. But it's not just about purchasing. It's about making the entire robotics lifecycle as efficient as possible. Through asset management, our customers have always a clear overview of their deployed hardware and software. They can see all relevant product data, matching services, and trainings. With our digital tools, like KUKA Expert, comprehensive technical information is available in real time, especially valuable for system maintenance and troubleshooting. Updates and system upgrades can easily be accessed via my.KUKA, ensuring that our customer systems are always up to date. Our robots are reliable, efficient, and intuitive to use. With my.KUKA, we ensure that procuring and operating is just as simple as using them. So we are making automation easier.
Making automation easier.